So I already have my base and brows done. I really wanted to play with some of the new colors that are available in the month of March as far as pressed eyeshadows go. So the only one I was unable to get because it is sold out is Thankful, which is a really vivid blue. Use the Deluxe Brush, just like a good blending / applying brush. And I'm gonna go into Witty, which is the orange that's a satin, and I'm gonna start, ooh, wow. That is incredibly pigmented. Whew, okay, well, that is a little more than I was anticipating, but let's see what we can do here. Wow, that is the lighter orange, sweet goodness. I mean, I did want something vivid. I was looking more to like layer it as opposed to like apply it all at once, but sometimes I forget how pigmented these colors are and then I do this. It's really pretty though. So now, that's really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna put a bit of that on the lower lash line as well. More towards the outer edge. That's where the majority of the pigment is. This reminds me that I loved like the orange colors and the reds and the pinks when I had my hair blonde last year. So it's just so interesting. That's one of the reasons I love to play with my hair, is because you're attracted to different colors, and sometimes the look, even though my skin, I mean, I'm always pale, so that doesn't change, the look of it on your skin can be totally different from what you thought it would be. And I think that's pretty cool. I like that. Really wanted to try Fancy, which is the light blue. So I'm gonna go in and put that on my eyelid, and I'm gonna use the cream shadow brush. So this I also believe is a satin color, so, ooh. Oh, that is very pretty. Oh wow, it actually kind of looks grayish. Like it matches with my shirt a little bit. Oh, that's really beautiful. I'm gonna go into Lively, which is so these are the ones that I've used so far. So we did Fancy, which is the light blue. We did Witty, which is the orange, and now we're gonna go in with the even darker orange, but it's matte, and this one is Lively. I think I want to put this in like the outer portion of the outer V. Just kind of deepen this area a little bit. Being really light-handed with this because I didn't do that with the other color and it was a little too bright and I wasn't really ready for all that. I'm trying to be a little more cautious this time. Okay, I think I'm gonna do on a crease brush for the inner corner highlight. I want to do Gentle, which is like a really pretty like beige super shimmer. I think I want to put that on the inner corner. Ooh, that's really pretty. That would be nice for just like an all-over lid color for like a more natural look. Oh, that's pretty. And I think on the outer portion of that, I'm going to put Gifted, which is a shimmery purple. Colorful today. I want spring to be here. Put a little bit of Fancy and a little bit of Gifted together. Ooh, I mostly got Fancy that time. A little bit of Gifted and try to sort of mesh them in the center. The line isn't like too defined in between them. Oh, that is pretty. That is very bright. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of blue on that inner portion of the lower lash line. so now let's do, I think we should do Polar eyeliner, which is the electric blue. I'm gonna do that on the upper lash line. Let us curl lashes and add mascara. Let's do some Prim liner. I'm gonna do the cream shadow brush to put this on because I feel like the doe foot applicator applies too much product and I don't want that much. So I'm just gonna use the cream shadow brush. So if you ever do that, like I do my eyes first. So if you do your eyes and then you pick a lip color and you put it on and it just does not go, do not feel bad. Take it off, try a different one. Sometimes it's hard to tell. You don't know till you put it on. This is good. All right, and that is our finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching.